So for this one, the first step that we should have done was converted 2 and 2/3 and then 1 and 4/5 into improper fractions. And if you notice, this was actually from questions 1 and 2. So questions 1, you should have converted 2 and 2/3 into an improper fraction, and question 2 was converting 1 and 4/5 into an improper fraction. So I'm actually going to go over those and then I'll show you how to multiply. So for 2 and 2/3, we start at 3. We go around. So we have 3 times 2, which equals 6. And then we do 6 plus 2, which is going to get us to 8. So now this is 8/3 because we keep our denominator. Then for 1 and 4/5, we start at 5. We go around. So we have 5 times 1, which gives us 5. And then we do 5 plus 4, which is going to give us 9. So now we end up with 9/5. And now we can multiply them. So 8 times 9 is going to get us 72. And then 3 times 5 will lead us to 15. Now our next step is going to be to simplify these. So we need to figure out how many times 15 can go into 72. Now one way to think about 15 is that 15 times 2 is 30. So that means 15 times 4 is 60. And then if we add 15 to 60, that would get us 75. So that's too much. So we're going to stop at 4. So 15 times 4 was 60. If we subtract that, we'll end up with 12. So now we're going to stop there because we don't want any decimals. So 4 now becomes our whole number. 12 is our remainder, which is our numerator, and 15 is our denominator. But we can still simplify this. So we need to think of a number that we can divide both the top and the bottom by. So the common multiple would be 3. So if we divide 12 by 3 and divide 15 by 3, don't forget your whole number, we end up with 12 divided by 3 is 4, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our final answer would be 4 and 4/5.